I hate to tell you this, but your video is doomed even before it starts if you don't fix these 3 things. And no, it's not having a $2,000 camera or better lighting. Although that would help. These 3 things I'm going to talk about in this video, if you get these wrong, YouTube will not be forgiving. But if you nail them, you can go from invisible
to invincible.
So stick with me to the end of this video, because not only am I going to tell you about these 3 things, I'm actually going to show you step by step how to fix these things and show you real examples that you can copy for yourself. Alright, so the first thing is the thumbnail. Think of it as if you're going to the movie theater and you don't know what to watch yet, so you're just going there to see what's playing. What's the first thing you see when you walk into the movie theater? Movie posters. That's your thumbnail. If it doesn't catch your attention, most likely you won't be watching that movie. For example, if you saw a movie poster like this, would you watch it? Now what if it's the exact same movie, but the poster looks like this? I'm sure most of you would pick that second poster, unless you're into those really boring artsy movies. So here's some tips that you should have when you're making a thumbnail. It should be simple and bold, but still cause some kind of curiosity. Also, stick with very minimal text, very short sentences. And one thing I've noticed, even despite having this face, usually videos with my face on the thumbnail get more views. And also you want to have like nice, interesting or bright colors so it sticks out from the rest of the video thumbnail.
So I'm using canva.com. You can use the free version or the paid version. And I'm just looking for photos of Tokyo. The darker the better so you can see the text. Just gonna adjust it to make it a bit darker. And I would usually put my own face, but just for this example, I'll just show a shocked face that I get from Canva. I can use the background remover because I have the paid version. And then I'm just gonna add some text, big bold text that stands out. And you want the text to be different from the title of the video, but still catchy. And then choose the font that you like best. You can make the spacing different and just put it on the screen where it looks good. Like there. Perfect.
The next important thing is the title. Now this title is a little bit different from like a movie poster. With movie posters you want to have at least the movie logo or the movie name on the poster. But on the thumbnail it's different. You don't want to have the same title as what you have in your thumbnail. But you still want to have a title that has the main theme or the story or the idea of the movie, or in this case our video. And even if your thumbnail is super pretty, if the title doesn't really make sense or match, most people won't watch the video. For example, if you take the movie Batman, imagine the name of the movie was not Batman. Imagine it was something like a man who wants revenge because of his parents dying, so he decides to spend all his money and dress up as a black leather-clad bat. Not only is it wordy, but it sounds weird and I don't think a lot of people would be interested. Your title has to be a bit curious, but it still should be able to kind of guess at what this video is going to be about. You want to give some benefit of what people will learn or what they will gain out of watching this video. And you want to give some kind of urgency, like you better watch this or you better do this if you don't want to fail. Hence the title I went with for this video. So I could have called this video 3 things that you should use to help your YouTube channel grow. It's okay, it's nice, some people click on it, but fix these 3 things or your video will fail is much more dramatic. And you know YouTube loves drama. Now there's different ways you can think of titles. You can just think of them on your own. You can go to YouTube, kind of see what other people are using for their titles when it comes to like similar videos to yours, or you can even use something like ChatGPT. And since everybody's using AI now, let's see what kind of titles ChatGPT gives us. So back to the movie theater example. Let's say you go to the movie theater, you see this amazing poster, it looks nice, the title of the movie is so cool. You sit in the movie theater, the movie starts, and then it looks something like this. My name is Bruce Wayne. My parents were killed, So I spent my entire life and all my savings trying to find a way to find him and kill him. If I started a video like that, which I have been doing for a lot of my videos, I can see why the audience retention drops right away. The honest truth is nobody really cares about you. They want to see your video because they want something from it. They want to gain some either education or entertainment. So wasting the first 30 seconds of a video talking about your name or how the weather is not gonna get you a lot of people to stick around. They're gonna click off and go somewhere else. That's why when I started this video, I didn't say my name, I didn't say thank you for watching or welcome to my channel. I went straight into why this video is gonna be important for you. And because of that hook and these awesome tactics, that's why you're still here and watching this far.
So I've won.
But seriously, the hook is very important, especially not only to capture people and make them watch to the end, but also for the algorithm. YouTube wants to make sure that the videos you're putting out, despite having a good thumbnail and title, once people start watching it, they actually enjoy it. And if they're watching your videos for a long time, it's kind of showing YouTube that what you're doing is actually adding value. So there's tons of other things that you can do to make your channel better. You can better the editing, you can do SEO kind of descriptions, you can share your videos, you can comment on other people's videos, you can do a whole bunch of things to make your channel, your videos much more attractive to YouTube. But honestly, these three things are kind of the intro, the must-haves. If you master these three things, your views will most likely double overnight. If you don't do these three things, most likely the only people watching these videos will be your mom and your dog. And hey, no shame, I actually get more views and more watch time from my dog than I do from my subscribers. You probably clicked this video because the title hit you. Why my channel changed? And honestly, you deserve an explanation. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you click on this video, you'll kind of see where I'm coming from, why I've kind of switched or pivoted to the kind of videos I'm making now, and where I'm going in the future. Thanks for watching, take care, and peace.